Hi guys, welcome to Joseph IT, your technology entertainer. Today I'm going to show you how to boot your pen drive with Ubuntu operating system easily with the help of universal USB installer. I have the latest version of Ubuntu in my system. If you don't know how to download it, simply check my video from the end screen and from the description too. So I'm just clicking on this. I agree. It is a small software. The link will be given on the description too. Okay, now what I'm going to do, just first drop down Ubuntu, and now I have to choose the file, okay, from my hard disk. So I'm just browsing and it is there. It was in my F drive and Ubuntu. Okay, and the USB, make sure that you have at least 4 GB sized pen drive. Okay, the bigger it is better. Okay, and I'm just going to choose it from mine. And now the important task is the format you want. I always try to keep it in NTFS. Okay, and then clicking on create. Yes, and I'm again saying, if you don't know how to download this ISO file of Ubuntu, the latest version, then simply check the video from the end screen and from the description too. And it may take a little while and will create your and will make your pen drive bootable. Until it's done, simply wait patiently. And as you can see, the copying most probably done, and after copying it will start its rest task, so wait patiently. It's saying that the process is complete. Now close. Okay, it's saying that my pen drive has now become a bootable Ubuntu operating system, and now with it I can set up a fresh Ubuntu operating system in my computer. And with this bootable pen drive, now you can boot your system. If you restart, then just simply make your boot order with this pen drive and Ubuntu will automatically start setting your PC. Okay, and I hope you really found this video useful. If you have any question, any query regarding this installation, simply feel free to inform us on the comment box and I will try my level best to help you. Please do not forget to like the video, share experience on the comment box and subscribe to this channel of Joseph IT. Hope to see you in my next video tutorial. Until then, goodbye.